Thread tracing is a running stitch used to mark a stitching or guideline. It is useful to transfer a marking from the wrong side to the right side of the fabric without risk of leaving a mark. The running stitch can also be used as a basting stitch. For the thread tracing, we're going to be using Silamide, which is a waxed hand sewing thread, along with a hand sewing needle. The Silamide is pre-cut into lengths convenient for hand sewing, so to get a piece, simply grab one end and pull until it's released. Thread the Silamide through the eye of the needle and pull until it is 5 or 6 inches from being even with the other end. Do not tie a knot. Start thread tracing at line 1. Push the needle down through the fabric about a ½ inch from the edge of the fabric right on the line. Move forward about a ½ inch and push the needle back up through the fabric on the line. Pull the thread until there is only about an inch or so left. Push the needle down through the fabric just in front of the first space along the line. Move forward a ½ inch and come back up along the line. Pull the thread until taut. This is a tailor's tack and should keep the thread from pulling out as you stitch the rest of the line, but can be easily removed from either side if needed, unlike a knot. Move forward a ½ inch and push the needle back down through the fabric. Move forward another ½ inch and come back up. Every few stitches, pull the thread taut. Continue in this way until you reach the end of the line. Be sure the thread is taut and lies flat, but is not pulled too tight, as this will create wrinkles in your fabric. Try to keep your stitches as even and straight as possible. When you reach the end, complete another tailor's tack at the end. Cut your thread using snips, leaving about a 1-inch tail. Repeat on the other 2 lines. Press your work and you are finished with thread tracing.